And we're back to learn Photoshop day 140. Let me show the Fragment pixelate filter. What it does technically, it breaks down an image's pixels into smaller, let's say more distinct areas. And this creates a sense of fragmentation, therefore the name, and this also displaces and blurs it a little bit out, or at least that's the effect that you visually can see. Here, for example, we've got it with a rectangle, but you can see it even better when we have an ellipse. You can find it under Filter, Pixelate, and it's one-click option. Just have to convert these into smart objects. That's not necessary for images. Or here you can see it basically multiplies the results and then displaces it a little bit. And this can be used for some, let's call it artistic effects. Here, for example, on this image, when someone screams, it doesn't look too shabby. Let us zoom in here, and especially here on the strings, you can see what's happening. So we only have one string, and then all of a sudden we've got 4. So this is what it does. Kind of copies the original, and then displays it, blends it with the original. You can add that multiple times, but be aware that at some point it becomes way too blurry, so it's unusable then. I would add it 1, maybe 2 times. In this case, I would stick to 1. Sometimes adding it 2 times makes sense. And there's the Fragment filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.